It's been a stunning year for investors and the stock market. The Dow is up about 2.5% this year. The S&P has gained 14%, and the Nasdaq has surged 18% in that runaway rally with tech stocks. Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group, is here with his common sense. I know you are closely watching the market, including the S&P continue to make new highs and actually reached another fresh record high yesterday.
Oh, Angela, what is the old adage? New highs tend to make new highs, as they say on Wall Street. And the S&P 500 surpassed the March highs, as we had discussed, after breaking out of what was definitely a bullish flag formation earlier this month. Now, the advance, it's been underpinned by three things, though. Below average volume, some divergent momentum, and a fading market breadth. The last one, or rather the lack thereof the breadth, that's the most notable of the three.
What do you think about the fading market breadth with not all stocks rising? What will that mean for investors?
Well, Angela, the lack of confirmation and breadth, that's not as many stocks in the index all advancing at the same time. It does not, I repeat, it does not mean the bull market is over. Rather, though, it does hint, or maybe I could say imply, that stocks could be due for a bit of a pause, maybe even a pullback, unless this rally suddenly broadens out. It also puts some added pressure for upside momentum from here on the back of the stocks that have been responsible for nearly 2/3 of the market's advance since April. Those stocks being Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Google. However, let's not look past the fact that up until this point, nearly all the important breakouts have come from the concentrated leadership. And then that concentrated leadership was followed by broader rotation. So hence my comments I've made before relative to the field of dreams analogy, right? Mega caps build the advance and then the rest of the market follows. So the question we really have as investors today, Angela, is if the mega caps continue to build it, will the rest of the stocks come? Here's the bottom line in this whole thing. The S&P continues to climb on the back of its mega cap companies. We've got narrower leadership during the most recent breakout. And none of this means the bull market is over. It just means the bull market is a little bit more vulnerable right now to a pause or maybe to a pullback. And for that reason, if you're an investor looking to get in, because as investors, some people have FOMO, the fear of missing out. 2023 turned out to be a good year. Year-to-date 2024 is definitively the same. Here's what I encourage people to do. Pause, be measured, be intentional, and use any pullbacks to add capital. But I don't think people would be wise putting new money into stocks chasing right here at this point in the month of June. If you want some more sincere and actionable ideas, we invite you with a pathway to go and get those. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. We help people just like you and your family get retired and stay retired. Check us out on the web, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.